right, guys. So I just want to share, the easy way that it's easy way to do the fluid drain and fill on this smart. So, um, first thing you gotta do it's gonna be get the get your ratchet, and this is where the fuel plug goes, and it takes Allen, and the one you're gonna need is gonna be the 8 millimeters Allen and a ratchet, and then I just have to lose this one. Why you have to start from this one is because if this one it gets stuck, or it's too tight, and you start from the drain plug, which is on the day side, so you're gonna get in trouble because you can't remove this one, So it's just better start with this one just to make sure you can remove the fuel plug, and then you can go ahead and do the drain. But now we already lose this one right here, and I'm gonna show you the other side. Let me see if I can go through here. Let me go to zoom out. Let me show you the drain plug. It's gonna be right here. It's right here. It takes the same 8 millimeters Allen. This one right here. I got this one right here. Take this one. So I already did the fill. I already drained it, and I already refill the whole thing. It take me almost 3/4, but the I know the recommendation is use the Castro fluid, with a specific for it. But they not around here. They not in any store. It's got to be ordered online, and then I got to do it right away, so I can't really wait that long. And I'm gonna show you the fluid that I'm using it right now. It's which is equals to the same one, and it's gonna be this one right here. You probably say no, that's not the right one or whatever, but I'm using 75W 140. Why? First thing, you use a limited sleep additives to it. And the other thing, it's temperature control. And the other thing, I know the recommendation and the specifications on the for the smarts, it's calling for GL4 right there. Okay. And then I just but went through on a fuel hole and slide this thing and squeeze it in it all the way. So that's the way I got this one work. And then I don't have to use I thought I'm gonna need a hose. That's what I ran this hose down there, but I didn't need it. So I just use this is better, and you don't need no hose. You just need the Allen and ratchet, and you can make it work, You don't even have to lift the car because I did not lift the car. If you see, let me go right here. If you see, it's on the ground, so I did not lift the car. And you can get the fluid at Walmart or any other auto parts. It's gonna be easy to find it, and it should works fine, like the Castro one. I hope that video helps and save your time and money. Remember, don't waste your time because it's too short. So see you next time. Peace.